Hey, let's go ahead and talk about proper placement in your vehicle. I'm in a Jeep Cherokee. This is a 20. I'm about 6'4", 260, so I'm a bigger guy. I have my seat all the way back. I have a slight bend in my knees. I have large arms and hands, so I want to have a slight bend. And as you can tell, as I'm moving up, I'm moving slowly. You know, we're just in a drive-through, so I'm going to go ahead and give you some information to help you become a good driver. You want to see the rear of the vehicle. A lot of beginning drivers overturn, and if you overturn, you're going to go over the curb. Okay, you want to turn smoothly, hand over hand into the turn, and you want to turn out smoothly, hand over hand out, right? That is important. Next, you need to know where your instrument panel is. Obviously, we have our tachometer to the left. We have our speedometer to the right. It's also a digital speedometer. We have about 55 miles of range left for fuel. Our temperature gauge is in the middle, which is right here. Our fuel gauge is to the right. This car does have climate control. These are our four-way flashers. This car, I believe, I'm gonna go ahead and move up, and you see how I'm turning the wheel, not overturning, not underturning, right? And we're out going through a drive-through. This car does have climate control. When you're taking your road test, they're going to ask you some basic things about your vehicle. Your windshield cannot be cracked. You need to have proper insurance in the car, right? You need to have registration. You need to at least have a quarter to half of tank of fuel. Your test will take anywhere from about 45 minutes to 50 minutes. You want to make sure your headlights, taillights work. These things are important. You want to be comfortable with the car that you have. Most cars have daytime running lights. I'm moving up slowly, and my foot is on the brake. You want to keep your foot on the brake. A lot of beginning drivers drive with the wrong foot. This is an automatic. We don't have a clutch. This is the dead pedal. I'm looking down to it. This is, we're SAS 14, so excuse my big feet. This is the dead pedal. You have your brake in the middle, and you have your gas pedal to the right. They all are computer controlled. Okay, you want to have your car fairly clean. I'm showing you real examples because the road tester will come in and look at your vehicle, check it. You want to make sure your vehicle's vacuumed, it's looking clean, smelling fresh. You know, we're not too bad back here, right? So those things are important. You're going to go on a route, take it through neighborhoods, residential. You're going to be merging on the expressway, so these things are important. So I'm just trying to give you some information to help prepare. You should already be working on your parallel park maneuvers, angle park, stall park, having good speed control. You always want to turn into the nearest lane. I hope this brought you value, and if it did, let me know, and I will be giving you some other content very soon. Thank you. I appreciate you.